Hey guys, welcome back to Motivation and Box Trucking. I'm so excited to share this information with you. However, before we get into it, I need for you to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and most importantly, the share button. And pass this on to anyone you think needs some motivation. All right, let's get right into it.
What's moving Iowa? The Hawkeye State, located in the Midwest region of the United States, is well known for its corn. Iowa has contributed substantially to the American economy through agriculture, being the largest producer of corn, pork, and eggs. I guess that's expected in a state where hogs actually outnumber people 7-1. Many people travel to Iowa to explore the prehistoric caves beneath the cornfields and above ground. One of Iowa's main attractions is the Iowa 80 truck stop, which is the world's largest truck stop. Iowa 80 has a laundry facility, a movie theater, a chiropractor's office, a full-service barbershop, plus a plethora of other amenities open to both the public and some that are exclusively for truck drivers to use as they pass through. If you are considering a career in trucking in Iowa, the average CDL truck driver salary is $1,300 a week, which is about $33 an hour. Now let's take a look at the agricultural commodities in the state of Iowa. A commodity is a raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought or sold, such as copper or coffee. It is also a useful or valuable thing such as water or time. The top agricultural commodities are corn, contributing $16.2 billion annually, hogs contributing $11.2 billion annually, soybeans contributing $8.9 billion, cattle and calves contributing $5.4 billion, and lastly, chicken eggs contributing a little over $2 billion annually. As previously mentioned, Iowa is the leading producer of corn in the U.S. The cornfields of Iowa contain a type of soil called mollisol, which is a nutrient-rich soil with organic matter that is highly fertile. Next, we will get into the top agricultural exports of Iowa. An export is a commodity article or service that is sold abroad. The top agricultural exports are soybeans, corn, pork, feed and feed grains, and soybean meal, collectively contributing $13.5 billion annually to the state. The Iowa Soybean Association has made soybean transportation a top priority. This association understands the role good, reliable carriers play in efficiently transporting the state's top export. Reach out to them to see how your company can become a part of the Soy Transportation Coalition. Now we will look at what other items are moved by truck in the state of Iowa. First, we have tractors and other farming-related machinery. Next, animal health products. Then construction materials. And lastly, furniture. Amazon Relay does have some areas of opportunity in the state of Iowa for box trucks, DSM-5 and DSM-9 outside of Des Moines, as well as MLI-1 in Davenport. If you're interested in learning more about Amazon Relay in your area, check us out over on Patreon. There we share strategy and insight on how we maintain 6 figures with Amazon Relay alone. We know when it comes to trucking, networking can be difficult, and we would love to have you as a part of our community. Another great networking opportunity would be for you to join your state trucking association. The Iowa Motor Truck Association can be found at iowamotortruck.com. There, you will find local resources and networking events that you can attend both as a member and non-member. Such events are the annual Trucking Driving Championship, which is coming up in June. Check out the website for more details on how to attend or compete. All right, guys, We thank you for joining us for What's Moving, a state trucking series. Be sure to check out all 50 states. Until next time, stay safe and stay motivated.